is anti-gravity where there are models which we can use for the coding, and here are all my files. But last time one of our subscribers commented that they was having trouble by using the Google anti-gravity. Actually, it was not loading. So I also replied him, but this process didn't work, and he was like, to use how to use anti-gravity. So here is the perfect option for you. Just Google launched an extension in the VS Code. So if you guys have the VS Code, then there is no need for to use Google anti-gravity. You guys can uninstall, and or there is no need to install the complete IDE separately. Just install the extension from here. Trust the publishers as it is from the google.com. You guys can check it. Okay, this is the authentic one. So here you guys can check, this is from Google. So until it is installed, I would tell you that here already we have a separate option where we can chat, but it is like a limited one and not having that much power. But Google anti-gravity, make apps perfect. Okay, so once it is installed, it will get loaded here. So you can check that here a lot of the other extensions are also installed, but you will get the Google anti-gravity icon here, and here initializing Google anti-gravity. So once it is initialized, you can use all the models and Google anti-gravity inside VS Code. So until it is initialized, I will show you that how to use anti-gravity to leverage your production. As this is installing anti-gravity backend, so we have to wait it until it is installed. So now you can check that anti-gravity is completely set it up. Now it's asking for authentication, so I will provide some authentication like some of the login from any of the account. I will choose one of my account. So yeah, sign in, and now it will redirect me to the VS Code. Actually, yeah, I will open the VS Code, and now in the VS Code you can check that, yeah, okay, open, and now you can check that it is completely set it up. So I would yeah, agree some of these things and will finish, and you guys can check that anti-gravity is completely set it up. I can create a project and can choose anything. Okay, like I will add any folder or anything and I can work here. So I will choose one folder or will skip it. Yeah. So now you can check that anti-gravity is completely set it up, and here I have models Gemini, low, high, medium, and then Google 3.1, Claude, Sonnet, GPT, OSS medium. So all these are available. I will pick the GPT from here and will embed here now. At the right side, I can use any of the model, whether it's Claude, Anti-Gravity, or any other coding agents. For example, here I will give it a prompt that create an HTML file and mention subscribe. Okay, and when user clicks, then show, yeah, Abdul Basit. Yeah, perfect. I will run it and it will work for me. It will create the folders here, okay, in this project folder structures, and it will do everything for me. That's the beauty of anti-gravity coding. So here it generated an HTML index. I can see that here is the complete code. I can also run it. For example, I will open it with the live server, and you can check that it will completely work for me. Like you can check that here it does the work. Yeah, subscribe to Abdul Basit. So that's how you can install or set Google anti-gravity inside your VS Code. No need to install a complete separate IDE of anti-gravity. I am going to uninstall it right now, and we will use only the Google VS Code for complete development. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.